Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'll guide you through a step-by-step review of MailerLite for beginners. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or log into your account. MailerLite is an excellent email marketing platform for beginners, offering a user-friendly interface, drag-and-drop editor, and simple navigation. It allows users to create email campaigns, landing pages, and automated workflows with ease. The platform's free plan supports up to 1,000 subscribers and 12,000 emails per month, which is ideal for those just starting out. MailerLite also provides customizable templates, email segmentation, and detailed analytics to help optimize campaigns. Pros include its ease of use, built-in landing pages, and automation features, along with helpful customer support. While it may lack advanced features for experienced marketers, it's perfect for beginners seeking an effective tool to grow their email list and manage campaigns affordably. Before we end this video, I'd like to invite you to a free training on building your email list while earning high-ticket commissions. My team and I have used this method to make over $3,000 in commissions while growing our list for free. If this interests you, click the link in the description to sign up. Thanks for watching.